I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can send money from PayPal to Binance. Now, Binance doesn't support direct pay-to-PAL transfer, unlike Pipit, who does support pay-to-PAL transfer directly. So the way we're gonna get around this is that we're first gonna transfer our balance from PayPal to a bank, and then we're gonna use that money from the bank to deposit to Binance, right? So I'm gonna assume you already know how you can transfer your money from PayPal to a bank, right? So we're gonna move on straight into how we can buy a cryptocurrency on Binance with a bank transfer, right? So Binance does support direct bank transfers, right? So for example, here I have a deposit button here. You want to click on peer-to-peer trading. Now on peer-to-peer trading, select the currency you want to trade on. So for example, I'm gonna do US dollars. And then on the payments here, you want to find your bank here, right? So there's a lot of banks here, like Bank of America, Netalier, Wish Money, Credit Bank of Peru. There's a lot, right? So pick whichever bank you want. So for example, here I want Bank of America. For example, Bank of America, right? I'm just gonna type this in, Bank of America. I'm gonna filter it out, and then you can see these are the cryptocurrency that's supported with the payment of Bank to America. If you want to buy, just click on this button, and then that's it. We did transfer our money from PayPal to Binance by buying crypto, but there is a lot of hoops to jump from. If you want something more easier, maybe you'd consider switching to Pipit, since that does allow direct PayPal transfer. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.